In this video, you will see how to extract real data from a real website using Minexa.ai, focusing on scraping automotive listings quickly and easily. I am opening the page where the data is already displayed, no forms to fill. From here, just tap the extension icon and we are ready. The extension is open, hit I'm on the right page, and the analysis starts. The scan is done. Minexa found where the data lives on this page. At this point, select List Only, or enable Detail Pages so Minexa scrapes each result's detail page. Move forward with Continue. Advanced lets you define what needs clicking or filling before the list loads. Minexa highlighted your data automatically. Click Create Scraper, and it studies the page once and reuses it. All fields detected. Minexa even picked up data hidden inside the page, like vehicle make, model, price, mileage, and location details. For those who code, click API Request, copy it, and the scraper handles extraction without any LLM parsing. Hit the violet button to validate the configuration and move on. The pagination button is already selected. Adjust if needed, or leave it and continue. Final step. Connect Google Sheets if you want results delivered automatically. Then, create the job. The scraper is live. Just hit Run. Every value here came from its exact position on the page, not guessed or inferred. This data includes vehicle prices, makes, models, years, mileage, and seller locations, ensuring precise and reliable automotive listings extraction. Click Export. Choose Excel to open it directly in a spreadsheet. Minexa does one thing really well. It gets data out of any website, for anyone. For developers, it does it deterministically, cheaply, and at any scale.